Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Todd Collins, and yes, big box can only mean one thing, another unboxing. And I'm really excited to do this one because now I'm venturing into something I have never done before. Well, let's just get the box open and then I'll explain that in a second. And I do apologize if it's loud. It's 97 degrees in my garage here in Southern California. So I have fans going every which way, so hopefully you can't hear that too bad. But if it is, sorry, because it's hot. All right, so here we go. Let's get this open. Let's reveal this new car. All right, here we go. Let's see if I can do this without dropping it. All right, and the new car is bubble wrap. No. Here we go. The Kyosho Inferno MP10e. I'm going to do my first race this January. I'm going to jump into the, I think it's the TNRA mains. I've never raced before. I went out to Chris Nelson's race in the arena a few months back, and I just caught the bug. I mean, watching those guys race and start to see, I can get in there. You know, the biggest thing about racing before was I was, I didn't think I could hold my own. I didn't think, I'm a basher. So to get out there and actually do some racing, I'm like, no way, I can't keep up. It's not about knowing everything and getting everything done. The most important thing about like anything in life is just experiencing, go out and trying. There is no failure. I always tell my kids, the only failure is not trying. If you try something, even if you don't do it as well as you thought, you did it, and that's the most important thing. So, I got to be a person of my own word and live up to what I teach my kids and other people. So I'm jumping into the race scene, and I'm out there to do one thing, have fun. And if I should happen to win some races, that's cool. But the most important thing is having fun. So let's take a closer look at the box panels. Okay, so here's the front of the box. Like I said, I did get the green and black. I think it looks really cool. Matter of fact, it's the only one that was available at the time I bought it, but I like the green and black anyway. So this is ready, set. So this is fully ready to run out of the box. It's not the kit. The only thing I needed to do was buy a couple batteries, which are already over there charging. I'm hoping to get this thing out today because I'm really anxious to get it on the track to kind of play with it at, over here at Southridge. So anyway, that's the front panel. This is one of the side panels, all in Japanese. I don't read Japanese, so let's flip it to the other side to get the English. All right, so like I said, this is full ready to run. It is 1/8 scale buggy. It comes with the oil shocks. This is kind of cool, 5mm metal front and rear shock stays. It is adjustable. This is the high-powered Torx 8+ brushless motor, 2300 kV brushless motor. I don't think this one's censored, though. I'll find out and put it down below. The ESC is tunable from what I've read. The ESC left is a Brains 8 that can withstand high loads and has 10 output programs to choose from. The receiver right is housed in a special case to protect it from dirt and damage, all that kind of stuff. So that's kind of cool. So it comes with some pre-programmed modes that I got to go figure out. This is my first time into racing, so I have no idea really how to set this up, but we're going to learn together. Let's see, it has the high torque steering servo, wire guards, battery holder, and then there's the body. The radio is the Synchro, Advanced Function Synchro KT331P radio is what comes with it. All right, so let's get this box open. Okay, so let's get this thing opened. I think this is probably the most excited I've been about opening a car. I enjoy opening every car, but I think this one's more exciting because of the future plan. This one has, I got to go get some practice. I got to look forward to race day. So this one's kind of got me a little on the nervous side. But let's get this. Let's see what we got in this thing. Oh man, I'm loving this. All right. Let's see, what I gotta cut loose? We got some manuals. All right. Nothing else in there I need. Let's see, let's make sure this is someplace you can see it. There we go. All right, let's cut open this box. I'm assuming this is the radio and whatever else. All right, so there's the card. We'll go through all the contents in a second. The most important thing now is what? You know it, taking off the paper, the wrap. Ah, that just feels good. Here we go, you guys. All right, so there you have the brand new Kyosho MP10e electric buggy. Green and black, looking mean, ready to win. So let's take a look at everything that comes in the box and take a closer look at the chassis. Now, like I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna try to go into some of the details. I'm not as good as some of the other YouTubers out there that know all the specs and all that. I'm just excited to get this thing and have some fun with it. But let's take a closer look. Okay, so let's take a look at everything that comes in the box. You definitely get the awesome car. You get the, I think it's the Kyosho Synchro radio. Takes 4 batteries. Got some adjustments on here. I've got to go read the manual to figure out. Like I said, I just opened it up because I want to get this out there. So you get your maintenance manual, which is kind of which all the exploded views of all the car. So I'm gonna spend some time in that. And then you also get your instruction manual. Okay, you get a binding clip. Okay, and then you get a bag full of tools, a wrench, a couple of different wrenches, and some Allen wrenches. All right, but let's take a look at the chassis. All right, so in this Kyosho, this has the dual 2S battery trays on either side. Supposedly that's supposed to give it better control and stability when running, and we'll find that out. It does have the metal drive shafts. It has the traction bars front and rear, heavy duty, the pretty good size adjustable oil-filled shocks. The one thing I know I'm going to upgrade, I saw some videos, is definitely upgrade the tires. Here's the splitter for the battery. There's your motor, your high-power servo, and the ESC right in here. And this is the receiver box. So there's the chassis itself. Okay. Rear view. This is a beefy looking car. It has a nice weight to it too. All right, there's the front. All right, here's the bottom tray. But anyway, so there is the car. The battery's over there charging. And so as soon as that battery's charged, I'm hoping to get out before the sun dips. If not, it'll be first thing tomorrow morning. Anyway, so let's get over to the track and have some fun with this thing. Call it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Really? On top of me?
Give up the line, man.
Oh! All right, you get lead. Really? Go for it.
You're good. You're a lap down.
Really?
Call it.
That's 3, 2, 1, go. Wow.
Gonna see you on that one. Wow. Good.
All right, that was me. I'll let you take lead on that bump.
Go, keep going.
Oh, where am I? Oh, come on! Oh, you got a lucky bounce. Yep, too white.
That came out a lot further away than I
Whoa.
was supposed to. There's a whole kicker on the inside there.
Huh?
Wow.
Too white. Oh, that looked cool. Oh, that looked cool. I flew over the top and you went underneath. That was totally cool. That was cool.
This is really good, actually. Time to do it.
This is fun.
Submit.
This is fun. All right, well, there you have it. The first run of the Kyosho MP10e. I tell you, this racing mindset is completely different from what I'm used to of bashing and just having fun. I actually have to think about throttle control, steering control. You know, as I was driving, and you saw me out there racing my son, which he did win multiple times. I was crashing quite a bit today. So I won't say that to his face, but he'll probably see it on the video. But anyway, one of the things that, you know, it's all about control now that I've never really thought about. More control on steering and throttle control, you know, trying to get it, you know, to take the jumps, you know, so I was hitting the back jumps or the tabletop, bringing it down under control. So that was a whole new experience really for me. But it's exciting. It's really a lot of fun. I'm glad I made this purchase. you know, I know there's a lot of different cars, but the reason I did this was, as you saw, my son has the Kyosho 9 EVO, I believe it is. And the good thing is now, you know, because he's racing, and that's what kind of got me into it, is now we can, you know, I can buy similar parts and we can just support each other with our cars. And it's kind of cool that, you know, our little family racing team has similar colors, and even if we change our bodies, we're going to do something similar. So now we've got to come up with a team and family name. But anyway, so it was a lot of fun out there. I'm looking forward to really getting deeper into racing and understanding setup. Like right now, today I ran it stock out of the box, made no changes to spring settings, nothing. This was stock out of the box, stock tires. He had a better set of tires, and you could definitely see that, you know, coming into play under control when he was on, you know, we had better control. I was sliding around a lot more than he was, but it was a lot of fun. It was still a lot of fun. I'm telling you guys, once again, this is another area of the hobby that I'm getting into. When I went to the race out in Corona, it was fun to see all the people and the camaraderie amongst the people. You know, my son was having some challenges with his cars, and everyone that was around him helped and really helped him to, you know, dial things in, give him some parts that he didn't have. You know, and that's the fun thing about this community is the way it bonds and comes together. You know, it's really fun to be a part of that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. So now I got to add something new. You know, my tagline at the end is, you know, just keep bashing, keep crawling, keep dragging. Well, now I'm going to have to add in racing in there somewhere. But anyway, the most important thing is, once again, have fun. The awesome thing about the hobby is just getting outside, spending time with other people. As you saw, all of a sudden more people came up. We had a father and a son, another guy come up. We had FPV flyers out there. It was just an incredible morning at the park. So anyway, just get involved, get out there, grab a car. It doesn't matter which one. You don't need to spend a lot to have a lot, you know, to have a lot of fun. The thing is just getting outside, grab your sons, grab your daughters, grab whomever, and just get out there and have some fun. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click the like button, click subscribe, hit that bell for notification. Thanks again for all those that have subscribed and watched the videos. It means a lot. But so thanks again. And just remember one important thing. Keep bashing, keep crawling, keep dragging, and now keep racing. All right, you guys, have a great time. See you in the next video. Peace.